telling you. Be very tough. It can give you pain. Sometimes your reality can even get you down. Let me tell you, escape through your dreams and fantasy. You gotta face it, you try to work it out. That's why I'm telling you. That's why I'm telling you, don't you? That's why I'm telling you, don't you? We gotta face every day like this. You may say that life has been really hard on me. There is no hope, no light that I can see. And let me tell you, my friend, about Jesus Christ, my Lord. The Bible says He is the one reality. That's why I'm